Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video we will get the equation of hyperbola if we are given the focus, the directrix line and the eccentricity. So let's get started. So first of all guys, in the first cell I'm using three libraries, that is NumPy, Matplotlib and SymPy library. So I'll execute the first cell. After that, in the next cell the user will be asked to give the coordinates of the focus. So I'll run this cell also. So let's say I consider the coordinates of the focus to be 1, 2. So that's the coordinates of the focus. And after that, in the next cell, the code asks the user to give the coefficient of the directrix line, that is A, B and C. So I'll run this cell also. So let's consider the coefficient to be A equal to 2, B equal to 1 and C equal to -1. So now we do have the coefficient of the directrix line. And after that, guys, for hyperbola, the value of eccentricity is always greater than 1. So for this particular example, I have considered the eccentricity to be square root of 3. So here I'll run this cell also. So now we do have the value of the eccentricity, the coefficient of the directrix line and the coordinates of the focus. Now in the next cell, I have defined the function so that it returns me the hyperbola equation. So I'll run this cell also. And after that, I'll run the remaining two cells to get the equation of hyperbola. So guys, as you can see, the equation of hyperbola is obtained. So guys, I'll share you the link of this code in the description. You can use the code, experiment with it. And if you have anything that you want to know, please do comment. Please like, subscribe and share. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.